Cultivating a home garden offers a rewarding pathway to a sustainable lifestyle, providing easy access to fresh, wholesome vegetables for your family without relying on grocery stores. According to the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, in 2019, 2.3 billion people engaged in home gardening. This practice encompasses growing food for both personal consumption and local market sales. While some individuals are driven by concerns about supply chain disruptions witnessed in recent years, others are motivated by reducing food waste and saving money. A crucial question arises: is starting a home garden an expensive endeavor? How can one calculate the costs effectively to avoid financial strain? The answer to these questions lies in strategic planning and informed decision-making. Factors influencing gardening expenses. Several factors influence the overall cost of home gardening. Location. The cost of establishing a garden depends primarily on the chosen location. The selection of a suitable growing site is influenced by the crops you intend to cultivate, your region's climate, and personal preferences. Let's explore common garden setups and their associated cost considerations. Traditional in-ground gardening. This widespread method involves growing vegetables directly in the soil. It offers several advantages, including the ability to grow a large quantity of plants outdoors. This method suits individuals with ample space. Typically, expenses include seeds, compost or fertilizer, basic soil cultivation tools, which can last for years. Container gardening. This approach is ideal for urban settings with limited space. Container gardening allows for controlled soil quality and simplified weed management. Costs associated with this method include containers, size-dependent, seeds, potting mix, fertilizer. Greenhouse gardening. Greenhouses extend the growing season and enable vegetable cultivation even during colder months. Expenses for this method include greenhouse construction. Cost varies based on size and materials. Heating and ventilation system, seeds and fertilizer, similar to traditional gardening. Ongoing expenses. Maintaining a garden involves continuous costs, such as water, fertilizer, pest control, and potential equipment maintenance. These expenses can accumulate over time. Yield. The quantity of vegetables you harvest from your garden significantly impacts the cost-effectiveness analysis. If you achieve a bountiful harvest and produce a sustainable amount, you can potentially save money compared to purchasing the same quantity from the store. Quality and variety. When growing your own vegetables, you control the quality of the produce and the varieties you cultivate. This can be a significant advantage in terms of taste, freshness, and nutritional value. Home gardening can be an economically viable venture with careful planning and consideration of all aspects. The initial investment in tools and materials can be offset by the first harvest season. It's essential to remember that home gardening not only saves money, but also provides the satisfaction of nurturing and cultivating your own food with confidence in its quality.